गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम ये क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ सॉलिड स्टेट, बट ये मैं वीडियो स्पेशली क्यों बना रहा हूँ, ताकि आपको पता चले कि विदाउट यूजिंग कैलकुलेटर आपको सीबीएसई बोर्ड के एग्जाम में कैसे ये क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है। तो बी विद मी फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 और 10 मिनट्स। तो क्वेश्चन को स्टार्ट कैसे करना है, आपको पहले सबसे पहले आपको लिखना है गिवन। आपको क्या क्या गिवन है, तो क्या लिखा है, नियोबियम क्रिस्टलाइजेज इन बीसीसी, दैट मीन्स वी हैव बीसीसी लैटिस। तो फॉर बीसीसी लैटिस दैट इज 2, that you know, body centered cubic, there are atoms at the corners and at the body center, niobium atom. Okay, now density of the solid is given, or we can say density of niobium. So that is given to you, and let us denote it by D. So that is equal to 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Now atomic mass is given. Atomic mass of niobium, so that is equal to 93 gram per mole. Okay, now to find out atomic radius of niobium, that means R we have to calculate. Okay, now we know that density D is equal to Z into capital M divided by A cube into Na, right? You know that density is related to Z capital M, that is molar mass, and edge length, A is edge length. A is edge length. Okay, now but we have to calculate atomic radius. So for BCC, what is the relation between R and A? So for BCC, you know, this A is related to R by the relation under root 3A equal to 4R, because in body centered cubic, spheres are touching along the body diagonal. See, spheres are touching along the body diagonal. Okay, it is R, it is 2R, and it is R. Okay, so under root 3A equal to 4R, that means R is equal to under root 3A by 4, or we can say A is equal to 4R over under root 3. So we will convert, first of all, say A cube. A cube is equal to Z into capital M divided by D into Na, right? Now instead of A, just replace it by R. So A is 4R, right here, 4R by under root 3 cube is equal to Z into capital M by D into Na. So it is 4 for the 16 for the 64, 64 into R cube divided by 3 under root 3 equal to Z into capital M by D into Na. That implies R cube is equal to 3 into root 3 into Z into capital M divided by 64 into D into Na, right? So in this way we can calculate R cube. Okay, So just do it. Just put the values. You know, it is 3. What do you mean by under root 3? Its value is 1.732, and Z for BCC, Z is 2. Molar mass, it is given to you, that is 93, divided by 64 into D. D is 8.55. And what is Na? Na is Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. That's it. Now see, calculation seems to be tedious. It seems to be difficult, but we make it easy without using calculator. Main aim is without using calculator. Now see, 93 into 2 is very easy, is 186. 186 into 3. So 186, 6 3s are 8, 18, 1, 24, 25. So 2 and 3, 558. That means R cube is equal to 558 into 1.732 divided by 64 into 8.55 into 6.022, and 10 raised power 23, it is becomes 10 raised power minus 23 in the numerator. Now taking log on both sides. See, it is difficult to calculate. Okay, so we use log table. So when we use log table, taking log on both sides, when we use log table, then it is log R cube, that is equal to, you know, log A upon B is equal to log A minus log B, and log A into B. These rules you know, log A into B, log A plus log B, right? And log A over B equal to log A minus log B, and log A raised to power n, that is n log A. Okay, and log 10 is 1. Okay, so now use the log. Log of 558 plus log of 1.732 plus log of 10 raised power minus 23, then it is denominator, the minus log of 64 minus log of 8.55 minus log of 6.022, right? So now it is 3 log R and is equal to log 5558. So you know, count the number of number of digits before decimal place. So there are 3 digits, so it is minus 1. So 2 point, now 55 पे जाओगे, लॉग टेबल में कहाँ जाओगे, 55 पे, और 8 के नीचे देखोगे. तो 55 में 8 पे देखोगे तो वैल्यू इज 7466. okay, now plus, now count the number of digits before decimal place. There is only one number, so it is minus 1, that is 0. 0 point, now 17 के 3 के नीचे और 2 का मीन डिफरेंस. 17 के 3 के नीचे वैल्यू है 2380 और 5 का 2 का मीन डिफरेंस है, इट इज 13. वैल्यू इज 2393, राइट. 17 के 3 के नीचे, ओके, 17 के 3 के नीचे वैल्यू है 2380 और 2 का मीन डिफरेंस जो है, सॉरी, इट इज 5. 2 का मीन डिफरेंस है 5. दैट मीन्स इट इज 2385. ओके, नाउ 10 raised power minus 23 to become 23 minus 6 log 64. So 64 means 1 point, एंड 64 के 0 के नीचे आप देखोगे तो वैल्यू इज 8062. ओके, नाउ माइनस अगेन 0 पॉइंट, नाउ 85 के 5 के नीचे तो वैल्यू इज 9320 minus again 0 point because number of digit before decimal place is only 1. now 60 के 2 के नीचे 60 के 2 के नीचे देखोगे तो it is 7796 और 2 का मीन डिफरेंस देखोगे तो 1, so it is 7797. okay, now just add these numbers. 16, this is 2.7466, 0.2385, so it is 1, then 8, 9, 2.9851 minus now 23, 1.8062, 0.9320, 0.97, sorry, 97. So value is 9, then 7, then 1, $25, so it is 26.5179, right? Okay, so minus 26.5179 and plus 2.9851, so value comes out to be 8, then 52, then 3, 9, 5, 40, so 5 and 2, 3, right? So it is minus 23.5328, right? That is 3 log r. So in this way log r is equal to minus 23.5328 divided by 3. It becomes minus, yes, करो डिवाइड बेटा, डिवाइड करोगे जो वैल्यू आएगी 7 3 21, so 2 means 24, so 8 3 24, then 13, so it is 4 3 12, then 12, so it becomes again 4 and 3 2 6 and left 2 20, so 6 3, that means it becomes like this, or we can write at the end 7. okay, so better to write it as minus 7.844 and 3, just we have approximated. okay, so that means, okay, so now it is minus 7 minus 0.843. okay, so this number digit before decimal place is called characteristic, and after decimal place that is called mantissa. So mantissa should always be positive, keep in mind. So we add 1 and subtract 1. When we add 1 and then subtract 1, it becomes minus 8. Characteristic is minus 8, and mantissa is now, yes, 1.00 minus 0.844 and 3, 0 0 0 0, 0.8443. so now it becomes 7, then 9, so is 5, 9, then 5, 9, then 1, 0.1557, right? So it becomes 8 bar 0.1557, that is log of r. So in this way r is anti-log of 8 bar 0.1557. So it is 10 raised to power minus 8, then anti-log of 0.15, anti-log of 0.155 का 5, 0.1555, so it is 1429, 1429 and 7 mean difference, 0.15 और 7 का मीन डिफरेंस. तो 7 का मीन डिफरेंस है बेटा, 7 का मीन 2, so it is 2, so it becomes 143,141, that is 1.431 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, so in terms of picometer, become 143.1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter, that is 143.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? So it becomes 143.1 picometer. So that is the answer. Okay, because 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. Okay, and 1 centimeter equal to 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Am I right? So that's it. So this is the answer. Without using calculator, without using any gadget, any electronic gadget, you can calculate. This is the funda of CBSE exam. Okay, board exam. Means students find it difficult to calculate without using calculator, but without using calculator you can calculate by making use of log table. Okay, if you don't know how to use log table, you can go through my video. I will share the link of that video, how to calculate by using how to use log table and anti-log table. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.